When natural gas appliances like water heaters or furnaces use gas, they should burn completely and efficiently. It mixes with the oxygen in the air to produce harmless carbon dioxide, CO2, and water vapor. But if conditions aren't right, the natural gas won't combust completely, giving off deadly fumes of carbon monoxide. Make sure you have a carbon monoxide monitor near the sleeping areas of your home. Carbon monoxide can be especially dangerous during the winter when our homes are sealed up tight. Symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning mimic the flu, with symptoms of headache, nausea, dizziness, and fatigue. If the flu-like symptoms are not accompanied by fever, if everyone in the family is ill, or if the symptoms disappear when you leave the home, you may have a CO problem. Have your gas appliances checked by a service technician right away and call 911. The best prevention of carbon monoxide is a regular inspection by a service technician. Natural gas furnaces should be inspected every year. Other appliances, such as water heaters, clothes dryers, and stoves, should be checked every 2 years. If you have a natural gas fireplace, it should be serviced regularly as well. Just one more quick tip from Alliant Energy's Powerhouse.